What's happening, everyone? My name is Wayne, that is Ray. We are here we are here at Jonkershoek here in Cape Town, riding some sick trails, bringing you guys along with us for the ride that we're on today. We're going to be heading up to a trail called Armageddon, so let's get that intro rolling. We are here at Armageddon. It says here Armageddon 8, so I think there may be 8 levels of this trail. I'm not sure. I haven't ridden this section of it because this is brand new. So you guys are getting to ride it with me. I got Mr. Ray Soares up front here, who will be joining me on the American adventure. Woo! Look at this. Oh yeah. So this is Armageddon here at Jonkershoek in Cape Town. If you are in Cape Town, whoa. If you are in Cape Town, then you have to come to Jonkershoek, because this is a really well-known trail for riding. One of the most famous trails here in Cape Town. There are a lot of trails here. I'm just taking you guys down 2 for now. The previous one was on the previous video, so do check that out. Link will pop up in the info card right about now. Yeah. Oh, here we hit the wind now. Oh, woo. As soon as we came out that corner, the wind just started pumping. Yeah. Woo! Oh, oh yeah. That is fun. Wild. Oh yeah. Damn. Yeah. Sweet. Next one. Woohoo! Plenty of rocks out here to catch you and catch your pedals if you are pedaling, so look out. There's loads of crashes here. I have also crashed here a few times before, so yeah. Whoa, is that, oh fuck, whoa. Oh my god, there was a gust of wind that just took my wheel. Like a gust of wind just blew my front wheel into a rock on the side there, and I was like hanging on a thread of the OTP. Wow. Watch out for the wind, yo. It's crazy. Woo-hoo. Sweet. They've actually done some work out. Whoa! Woo! That is like super slick at the moment. Wow! Rad! Wow, they've done a lot of work here. It's so smooth compared to what it looked like or what it rode like a few months ago. Specialized have been pumping funds and sponsoring trail features and trail maintenance here for years. So, you know what? Thank you guys at Specialized South Africa. You guys are the bomb. Look at this magnificent trail here. I would hit that step up, but actually there's not much wind here, so oh yeah, we go. Here's the wind again. Very gusty today. Woo! Nice rock features here. What a run! As you can see, I am riding nudie. I do have my gloves in my pocket, but I just don't feel like wearing them today. So guys, do forgive me for that. So this trail would split off, and you've got a choice over there of going left or right. We're gonna keep it right today because it looks like maintenance is happening on that one and it's closed. Trail work's happening here. Hey, what's up? How's it? Woo! Oh yeah. Sweet. That was Bennett and Hilton, the trail workers here, trail builders, doing such a fantastic job here. Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for the work. Yeah, it is riding fantastic. Yeah, nice skinny. Jump off there. Woo! Yeah. Oh yeah. Sick. It just doesn't end, eh? Oh my god, it's so good here. Wow. Yeah, how's it? Woo! Oh fuck, almost into that rock. Keep it together, wait. Holy shit. That's been refreshed and smoothed off so nicely. Yeah, sweet. Woo! Some small tables, throw in the mix, can't go wrong with that. Wow, this is like so smooth now. Wow. Whoop, bit of a gap there. Yeah, sick. Oh yeah. Oh my god, one more level and then we're down at the bottom. Fantastic little cool down spot after such a rad run down Armageddon. Woo! Oh yeah! Yeah! That was good! How sick was that?
Great, bro.
Wow! That was Armageddon here at Jonkershoek. If you are in the area, do go down there because it is sick. So remember, if you're not a Patreon subscriber, subscribe to my Patreon account. You'll get extra content, you'll get longer videos, bonus videos, and a few extra things that I'll chuck in there as well. But do head over to my Patreon account, support me and support the channel. Punch that like button if you like the video, subscribe if you like my channel. Videos every Monday and Wednesday. Thanks for hooking up with me. I will catch you on the next episode.